So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning curved text SVGs online without using any software that you can use over your projects for free without paying anything or getting any subscription. Now here, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for make text.io. Just simply go to this website, and here it's a very basic interface that first will ask you to enter a name. For example, let's upload a sample and hit make text color. You can see multiple color, multiple types are generated that you can pick any of them as per your needs. You can customize the settings as well as per your needs. Let's change the font size or anything, and once you're satisfied you can directly use it. Let's for an example select this one. I can customize it even more, and I can directly get the SVG for the same by just clicking here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.